Yeah, thank you for taking the time first. I really appreciate it. We are part of the Cargotech group, and Cargotech is really focused on the maritime industry and how to improve the maritime industry. At Navis, we focus on the software part of it and the technology in terms of software. We are very strong on the terminal side and terminal operating system, but we are also very strong on the carrier side with, stability system for the vessels in terms of planning of the vessel, planning of the load and the storage and so on. And part of what our strategy is with XVELA is also to connect both sides and allow both the carrier side and the terminal side to collaborate. Well, we really believe now that in the industry, bringing data in a way that can be shared by all the participants in the industry is really important. In terms of efficiency, but also in terms of security. So we wanted to communicate to the marketplace that we put a lot of work that allows to share data now among a number of participants. And those participants are here. Vessel owners, technical managers, carriers, they're here. There are two aspects around the safety that are very important to us. One is training. And so we've developed online training now for the planning system and so on to make sure that the product is available, but the people are trained also to use the product in a safe way for the vessel. The second thing is around sharing data, right? So in terms of improvisations, if you have the data, you can make the right decision. If you don't have the data, you're going to just guess, and it becomes dangerous. You're making the wrong decision. I think the other aspect is also around autonomous vessels, because autonomous vessel, the main benefit I see is safety, right? So you will have tools on the vessel that will make better decisions and help the crew make better decisions. It's all about collaboration in my mind, right? We have a lot of silos in these industries, and I think it's time to break some of those silos and collaborate to work better, so it's a win-win. Between a carrier and the terminal, between owner and and charter and so on. There is a lot of data, a lot of information that will get much more efficient and provide a better customer service if we share the data and we collaborate. Well, we need to change our mindset. It's a little bit like the previous conversation. Everybody is trying to be protective. But when you start to collaborate, when you start to share data, when you start to have different audience for the same data, everybody is going to benefit. And that's, for me, it's really important. This industry has not moved to the cloud. The cloud is almost 20 years old. It's time to move on. I think it's time to get in that direction. And we see a lot of tractions. Our product like Blue Tracker or like XVELA and so on are getting more and more adoption. So I think the industry is going there. But it's a long way.